Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. Today I decided to just speed up the whole thing because it was a very long video for me, over an hour. I'm painting on a piece of Yupo paper, an 11 by 14 piece of Yupo paper. I just got tired of the canvas and wanted to explore something new. And I tried several techniques here and I was just playing around. And I kept going. But mostly I was very contemplative and wanting to just sit with this COVID-19 thing because I live in California and we are now circling back to lockdown again. Everyone's very cautious. I'm in Northern California and it's not as bad up here as it is in Southern California. But people come up here to vacation, so we always have to be cautious. So I have a COVID mandala theme going on. I have no idea how it's going to come out. I've been a little stressed lately, so when I'm stressed, I don't think very clearly, I just paint. Today I am thinking about what is this COVID thing in the terms of the unknown. Scientists say that only 5% of the universe is known. So everything that we know, everything that we can name and think is 5% of what is. 95% of reality is unknown. So when I take that perspective, it makes me look at things very differently than from my ordinary life. So what is COVID a symbol of? And what's it doing? And all I can tell is that it's making me simplify and get rid of things and simplify. And I know the future is going to be very different than the past was. And I don't know how it's going to, but technology has something to do with it. So I'm going into a long summer of a relationship with the unknown. And how I do that is I get ready for something and I don't know what I'm getting ready for. So I remember all the times of preparation in my life, mostly for going on trips, and how I clean everything up and get rid of stuff I don't need and repack and remove and reorganize. So that's one way of getting ready. Another way that I prepare is I get my health in optimal um, condition as much as I can. So that's another way to prepare and just clean up my diet. Another way is to go through everything I have and look at it from time perspective. Is this from the past? Is this for the present? Or is this for the future? So those are ways of cleaning up and clearing out that's different from Marie Kondo. Not much of my stuff is about joy. Stuff isn't about joy for me. There are a few things I have that I really love, but not too many. Another aspect of preparation is getting ready, say, for a wedding or a big celebration. So, getting out your best clothes, your best hair products, your best facial products, and ordering everything and getting everything organized so that it's as simple as possible when it comes time. So, I've been going through, oodles and oodles of bath and shower and personal care products, and clothing is the hardest for me because I can keep something for 10 years and not wear it and then wear it again 10 years later. So what's that about? I don't know. So what about you? What kind of preparations are you doing for the future? Do you have an intuition of how things are changing? Do you have an intuition of what direction to go in or where to put your most prized resource, which is your attention? So I put a little bit of my attention in painting every day, and this painting is just another reflection on where this little tiny piece of protein wrapped in a lipid is taking us. Thank you all so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video.